I dinna ken how welcome this is, but 2024 is the 5th year of the yearly Doric Film Festival. After being held in different places, it seems to have found its long-term home in the RGU's Ian Wood building, for there's a rare big space with seats for Abdi and a rare big screen to show the pictures on. In June, just last month, I had the pleasure of going there to watch this year's winning entries. The festival's director is Frida Morrison, well kent already for her background as a singer-songwriter and broadcaster. Nowadays, she's one of the Hedians of the Doric board, and the festival started as an offshoot of her Scots radio. For anybody that doesn't ken, there's an online magazine programme. It, and the festival itself, are ways that modern technology can keep our heritage alive. The festival itself lasts most of an afternoon, and there's entries in 3 categories: bairns, individuals and groups. Entries are videos and can be up to 5 minutes long. Ilka year there's a topic that the entries can be about. This year the topic was Fit Why Nae. Last year it was Dinna Put Off, and the year afore it was A Sense of Time. The videos themselves can be about all sorts of things, from family and community history, to issues about the language itself and its place in folks' lives, to animations. Afore now, there hasn't generally been any history of a Scots in animations. In my view, this makes this animations especially welcome, and especially when you see what well made they are. This year's ain was a retelling of the old tale about Jack and the Beanstalk, told with a northeast twist on it. The bairns videos are often school projects, with fantasy characters or creators set in stories together with the bairns themselves, set near home or far away. They gie the festival an enthusiasm of the bairns ain. The Doric board plays a big part in running the festival. Many of the members have been part of the festival from the beginning. The RGU's Professor Peter Reid is himself one of the team, and they do all sorts of things, from drawing in sponsorship, to keeping everything running on the day, to judging the video entries, even to playing music between the different parts of the day's happenings. Frida Morrison herself told me about Film G, another yearly contest, though that means for Gaelic. There are thoughty further on with it they're doing, in that they dinna just had their festival. They aim to fin and to bring on new talent, and even to set young folk on the way to a career. Fast to say, there's nae scout for something along the lines for Scots. Meanwhile, the Doric Film Festival seems to be heading for it just fine. To ken more about what they do, either to join in with making a video or just to ging and watch, you'll find their website at doricfilmfestival.com.